Aiper Seagull Pro Troubleshooting Battery Problems. Experiencing battery problems with your Aiper Seagull Pro? You're not alone. Battery issues are common and can disrupt your cleaning routine. Below, we provide some essential tips to keep your device running smoothly. Charging tips. Proper charging ensures long battery life. Follow these simple tips. Use the original charger that came with your Aiper Seagull Pro. Avoid overcharging. Disconnect the charger once the battery is full. Charge in a cool, dry place to prevent overheating. Clean the charging contacts regularly for efficient charging. These tips help maintain your battery's health and extend its lifespan. Battery replacement. Sometimes replacing the battery is the best solution. Here's how to do it. 1. Turn off the Aiper Seagull Pro. 2. Locate the battery compartment. 3. Remove the old battery carefully. 4. Insert the new battery, ensuring proper alignment. 5. Turn on the device and check if it powers up. Always use a compatible battery for replacement to avoid damage. If you continue facing issues, consult the user manual or contact support. Would you like this adapted into a script or blog format as well?
If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.